Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how you can change faces with just one click. Here I've placed another girl's face over Rashmika's face. As you can see, you can change your photos like this, completely free and unlimited with just one click. So let's not waste any more time. Today we'll see how to change faces using AI without any app. All you need to do is turn on your phone's internet. Then go to any website. I'm going to search on Google right from here, and you should do the same. Just type Remaker AI and search for it. You'll see the website appear right at the top. Here you can see Remaker AI, so click on it. After clicking, you'll see 4 options appear. The first one you'll see is face swap. Click on this option. Now 2 options will appear in front of you. You'll see upload original image and upload tar. So here, first click on the option for the photo you want to put your face on. Click on upload and select that photo. I'm clicking on browse here to select a photo. So here I'll take a photo of Rashmika, so I'm selecting that photo now. So you can see here that the photo has appeared. Now click on the option below to select your own photo. The one you select here will be applied to Rashmika's photo or Picarto. So I'm choosing a photo here. I'm selecting my own photo. So here you can see that it has appeared on both phones. After that, if you look below, you'll see an option here. Click here when the time comes. Here you'll need to wait a little, okay? Let me mention, those who come to this site first should select their email ID. It will log in automatically, so you'll be able to edit photos for free. As you can see here, ours is ready and has appeared. The photo I uploaded has been added here. You can see Rashmi's face and nothing else. So whatever I uploaded, that's what has been processed. Now to download the small version, just click on download here and you can download it. If you like the video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to learn new editing techniques. So see you again with another new video. Everyone, take care.